Is AI really replacing recruiters, or is it just making hiring smarter? From automated resume screening to predictive analytics, AI is changing the hiring game. But does that mean we're saying goodbye to human recruiters forever? Let's find out. AI in hiring is already here, and it's not just about scanning resumes. It's transforming the way companies find, evaluate, and select candidates. AI instantly filters applications, ranking candidates based on skills and experience. AI analyzes past hiring data to predict which candidates will perform best in a role. AI speeds up scheduling, communications, and even initial interview screenings. With AI, hiring becomes faster, more efficient, and data-driven. But is it always better? AI has some serious advantages, but also a few big risks. Let's break it down. AI processes thousands of applications in seconds, reduces workload for hiring teams. AI removes human guesswork. But AI isn't perfect. AI can unintentionally learn biases from past hiring patterns. AI can't fully assess personality, motivation, or cultural fit. A great candidate might be overlooked just because they don't match AI's ideal profile. So how do we use AI without losing the human touch? TalentIQ. AI-powered hiring done right. Instead of replacing recruiters, TalentIQ works alongside them to make smarter hiring decisions. TalentIQ doesn't just scan resumes. It analyzes behaviors, problem-solving skills, and engagement levels to find the best candidates, not just the ones who look good on paper. AI isn't here to replace recruiters. It's here to make hiring smarter, faster, and more reliable. Want to see how AI-driven hiring can transform your business? Upgrade your hiring process with TalentIQ today. Visit KENTECH.com to get started.